Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get a guarantee of welcome player in EA Sport FC Mobile 24 by Player Exchange. So let's get started by tapping the this one. You can also welcome to FC Mobile, and also you can tap the play, tap the live events, and tap to welcome to FC Mobile. So this is the new campaign of this season of EAFC Mobile 24. There are some events, some feature here. But let's get to this one. New teams. You can get welcome defender or goalkeeper, welcome midfielder, and the top reward is Federico Chiesa. But it's very long way to go. You have to save the welcome point. But you can get instantly a welcome player by only do this. Tap player exchange in new goals feature. Go to this one, new goals feature, and tap the player exchange and this one. Guarantee reward welcome player, and it has a 75 until 89 OVR best player. And this is for example of the player that you can get if you got lucky. And expires 6 days from now I made this video. Let's get started by tapping welcome player. You need to have to 70 and 74 OVR player. 3 player only. Tap it. And for example, I wanna throw away this player. Confirm and exchange. And I've got the welcome player from Spain, left back Atletico Madrid, Javi Galan. So feel free to try, maybe you're lucky than me. Thank you for watching, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click this button below. Enjoy the game.